Hey everyone, Serene from House of Yum, and today we're going to be making an easy chili recipe. This is my kids' all-time favorite dinner, especially my youngest daughter, and I can't blame her. This is the ultimate and comfort food. It is loaded with flavors, tons of spices, meat, beans, tomatoes, plus you can add any of your favorite toppings, cheese, sour cream, some green onion. One of my favorite things about this chili recipe is that it comes together quick and easy. I have directions on how you can make this as a slow cooker meal, so if you have time to prep in the morning, you can get this ready and it can cook for you all day long. So today I'm going to show you how to make this as a 30-minute one-pot meal. This chili is made with ground beef, but you can always substitute that out for ground turkey if you're maybe looking for a lighter option. So to start off, we're gonna go ahead and add our ground beef to the pot, and we're also gonna add in some chopped onion. We're gonna let that cook until the ground beef is completely browned and the onions are soft and translucent. At this point, you'll wanna go ahead and drain any of the grease from the pan and then return the pot back to the heat. At this point, we can go ahead and add in our minced garlic and just let that cook for about another 30 seconds. Now we can add in the other ingredients that we'll be using. We have a can of tomato sauce, there's a can of diced tomatoes, and we're also gonna add in some black beans and kidney beans, some diced green chilies. Now what gives this chili a nice depth of flavor is a hearty dose of chili powder. The other spices that we're gonna be using are salt, pepper, cumin, and a little bit more of some garlic powder. And then the last thing I always add is just a little bit of light brown sugar because this helps to cut through the acidity of all of the tomatoes. And now at this point we can go ahead and stir together all of these ingredients, let it simmer on the stove for about 20 minutes to blend the flavors, and you'll be all set. And then comes my absolute favorite part, is the toppings. So today we have some shredded cheddar cheese, some sour cream, and some diced green onion. For this and other easy dinner recipes, make sure you check out houseofyum.com.